Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for joining, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it. For all guys who are here following, all right, we have guests and we have also our friends. So kindly, can you type one if you can hear me clearly? Type one if you can hear me clearly. Mm, type one if you can hear me clearly. All right, all right, all right. Good, 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 good. Mm, all right, all right. We want to get started right away and ready for the London session. All right, ready for the London session. Number one, first, what you have to do is you have to understand there's some upgrades which are happening. There's some upgrades. Let me record to the cloud. All right. There's some upgrades which are happening for our softwares since yesterday. So that's why you cannot see some indicators when you go to invite only. You cannot see them. Okay. So everyone, if you have them, don't remove them from your chart. But a person who doesn't have, there's some upgrades which are being done. So please, people, be patient. You can follow with us. So right now, before we jump into the fundamental market news, CTC, and everything, I want to put this, the BMM Moto Pro, if you have it in your chart. I've gone to the settings here and I'm removing this require multi-time frame so that I can see, we know when the session starts, there's a lot of things which are coming in. So I've removed it so that you can get into all these buy and sells, and I've automated it. Yeah, so basically, on the alert, if you have the alert and you have done some changes here, clicking OK. So you have to go to the alert section, all right? And in the alert section, you can right click it to edit. Now you have to understand the new final one, it doesn't have the buy and the sell. On this chart, I found it was the buy and the sell. So the final one doesn't have the buy and sell. It's just one following the orders. That is the strategy that is in. So you just open the settings. If it's one alert you have by BMM Pro, then go and update it. You can see this one was the previous one. Now when it updates, it comes at the bottom. So I'll switch this. Also, I'll switch this. That is the one. And then what I'll do, I'll save this. So first of all, there was a cell which was printing here. I believe it has closed or something, which have 0.05 risk. All right. Yeah, so let's look at fundamental market first before the market comes up by 10:30. Yes. So let me share with this. Okay, screen 2, this one. What is this? It is denying to share some things here. Just a minute, I see what's happening. There's a meeting here. I need to. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's because of this. Epic pen, epic pen, epic pen. I think it will show now. Yes, yes, yes. I think it can show clearly, and then I can drag this to be here. All right, now, just a minute. I add also this chart. Okay. Yeah, I think you're okay now. You're okay. Now, so do this if you're available and just type the location that you're watching from in this London news session. Okay. Just type. Just type, guys. Which location are you watching from our London session? All right. Which location are you watching from? Example. We are at Parklands. All right. So type the question as I check everything about here. All right. Which location are you watching from? Guys, there are many people who are here. Can't you even type? We need interaction. If not, we can just decide to close this
Hello,
live.
Charles.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good, gentlemen.
How do we edit the alert?
Ati, how do you?
How do you edit the alert? Because if you before when you open the alert section, and then you hit the edit button. Previously, you had the option of now going to the message that you copied from the webhook.
Yeah.
Alert section. Now it's not opening that section. Why?
TradingView updated. That is by, I think it was on Tuesday night, everywhere in the world. So let's say you're using the BMM Pro, the one which you have, and then you have the alert here. Can you see the alert?
Yes, open. I can't
wait,
see.
Wait. I need to switch to the TradingView first. Okay, let me switch to here. All right. I believe you can see clearly.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah. So it's like this, You have this alert on the alert section, here.
Yeah.
Can you right click and then edit? And then when you find something, it updated, So if you want to edit, you'll come to the condition, this one. The condition is where which EA or indicator is attached to that alert. Sawa? Okay. Yeah. So I've updated. When you update, it usually comes at the bottom, Yeah. So for me, I've updated that. So yours, it won't have that once per bar or anything. Just check condition because mine is not showing. Let me check the chart that has just a minute. Maybe AUDJPY. Let me see. Yeah. The new one, I don't know. The new one.
Where is the message? Where do you put the message?
Okay, let me go to the GJ. Okay, where do I put the message? Okay, let me right-click edit. The message is here. If you want to put the message, you right-click what? You click the message here. Can you see?
Oh, they are down,
Yeah. So you have to understand, guys, the TradingView updated it. So when you want to, the trigger is here, you can choose whatever. Then you want to update the message, you click, you type the name of the alert, yeah.
Oh, I've seen it.
Yeah, mine is not on. Abu, let me see.
Okay. I understand now.
You understand, Abu? Just wait.
Yes.
Where is mine, man? Mine needs to be active right now. Just give me a minute. GJ session trades. Okay. We have session trades. Mine needs to be active, man. Oh my. Okay. I think I did wrong. 9. Oh yeah, it's okay. It is good. So this one, 15 once only. Yeah, this is the new one. I think so. Doesn't have the buy. Oh, does it? Yeah, it has a buy and the sell. And mine is for 15 minutes. So when I click here, session trades, and I click prop, I want to type. This is the name of the alert. So I know this is the GJ for buy. So you can name like GJ if you have the latest one, because the latest one, it hasn't updated on this chart. Yeah, so you name whatever that you want. You just have to refer to your side. All this message, you find it from the webbook. So all this, it's training, which will be done from 11. Right now, it's not time for training. So I'll apply and then trigger once only. Hey, not once only, man. Once per bar. Oh, yeah. Hey, I didn't see that. It is once per bar close. Once per bar close. Wait. Some things when you do, you see, you can do some error. Once per bar close on the buy. Hey, man, but let me see. From this is a buy area. This is a buy. It's a buy. Okay. Now let's go for the sell. The sell, hey, you see this? These are the settings that sometimes when you fail to do so, this is a sell, once per bar sell, and then it's a sell there. It's good. That's why it printed some one confirmation here, and it wasn't a confirmation. So I think mine are okay. So let me see for someone here. Once per bar, buy. Okay, just a minute. Sell. Hey, man. This is supposed to be sell. All right. Then I save. So right now we don't have something here. So anyway, you can see clearly now. Okay. So today, what do we have? Today being a Thursday, we have the pound data coming. That's a Bank of England Governor Bailey who will be speaking. So it's just lower news. It won't affect much of the pound. And then 3:30, you have unemployment claims. So this will be high impact. If you are holding anything to be affected by a dollar, you have unemployment claims. Okay. So the unemployment claims, let me just a minute.
In progress.
Okay. That's why yeah, guys, because of that mistake, because on my alert was trigger once only. I didn't check. That's why I've gotten a loss because GJ had printed just 1 minute or something. But now I'm okay because that is just 0.4% of my account. So it's like when you have a loss of about $23 on $1,000 account. So GJ, well, I'm looking for sales because right now the market has been super bullish, and right now it's a correction and a retest. Okay, these are sales that is happening, and I see this correction coming here, so that now you can start for buying orders all the way to the high. All right, you can check like on higher time frame on let's say.
We
What?
can't see a screen.
Oh, sawa. Thanks for saying that. Can you see now? I'm saying like this, So we have GBP, JPY. I'm focusing for the market to go all the way because it was bullish. You can see here it was a bit bullish. That is for yesterday. Right now there is a correction and the low has been broken. We have a sell here by the AI. So breakout, which is the initiation, and then we have retest. So a good sell for today was good. So you can wait maybe the next one because this is a continuation sell, and holding this pair. So if it comes again, which, right now it already printed this sell. So until maybe it prints a short buy and then a sell, it will come automation. But now on manual, for me, I can, this is a counter sell. Yeah, so let's see what happens when the market opens. But I'm seeing drastic sell here, all right? Breaking this low all the way here, and then now we can go for the highs. very well confirmed by higher time frame charts, which I've been holding and since the bottom, but I took partials, I took a lot. And I want this pair to come around here, at least this pair, so that I can enter again today for a swing buy. So a swing buy, I'm looking at around from this area, GBP, JPY, I'm looking to get around 253 pips, which is about 1:4. Apart from that, I'm on NASDAQ. NASDAQ, this is a sell. So a correction which is happening right now. Yes. So London is just a scalp. You can see clearly. If it comes for a sell, you can sell. All right. So, but London will be buying. It will be buying. Then New York, we can look for sells. So right now I'm holding this is on the side of NASDAQ. I'm holding some sells from here with high margin. So if you are scalping, it's a good, the buy was here, which is going very well, but now don't FOMO in because it has already happened. Yeah, so because the best entry for NASDAQ was here if you're doing manual, following the EA or following our AI, I mean. All right, and right now it's at TP1 already at break even. All right, so the best way is if it comes, let's say here, all right, somewhere here, retest, maybe now you can do a lower risk because the direction is bearish. But now, based on the time frame right now, we have bullish, okay? I mean, the market is going higher for the buy on the buy side. So it's collecting whatever it's collecting and going to sell the price at a higher price. So this is just a buy within the London session. That's what I can say, okay? Now, you can catch, for me, if I check now on the higher time frame without the EAs, okay? For me, I'm holding all this 1:4 all the way to drop. Yeah, so for you, follow your BMM, people in BMM. We have buys here, but let's see, maybe it might correct. Let's look at something here. Also, we'll be checking on gold by Francis. All right, and before we come on, and I want to know everyone who is here, just type, Ati, can you see the proof of your positions in your live account? Are you a guest? So I want to see your proof of your positions. Is it a master share? It's not a master share. So as we are not a signal provider. We are following EA, and also everyone has his own strategy. Some people plant it in silver, some people plant it. I follow yen and I follow NAS and the rest. But the trades that I take is not a master share. I can share them in the group, but it's not a must. What we share is a skill, which you need to know, the indicator, a skill.
And to add a point,
it's not a must to share our trades. It's not a must.
And to add a point on that, for the inner circle members, they understand how our systems work.
Yeah.
So if you have the products, you don't need to ask for proof of. Yeah, so if you are not a member, just kindly be a member and enjoy the.
Yeah, and that is good note. So I want to answer Emma. So for every member in our inner circle, there is some upgrades and updates which are being doing. Remember we are a software company, yeah? We are under AI and also our software needs to be updated. So there's something happened with TradingView, the updates from Tuesday globally, all right? So we are updating our system to reach, just updating whatever that they have said. So the coders and the programmers, they're doing that, okay? So that's why when you click indicators, you can't see anything on the invite only. So just be patient. For now, you can follow what you have on the screen and I'll be updating people in the inner circle, all right? Yeah, so I believe NASDAQ is good for a buy scalp, okay? But right now, don't FOMO in because it has already happened. The best entry was at 9:30, 9:15. Okay, if it's an entry and it will take it very well. So let's see what happens here. I want to see at least a continuation. Rather, me, I do 15 minutes. I don't do 5. Some people can do 5. Let's say 5 is for me to check what's happening here. 5 is still on a sell, you see. but 5 minutes on a range. This buy is on a range, just range. So I want to check on the market itself. So we have that AUD JPY. As I check on 15 minutes, currently is happening like GJ. So we have this unique that is accumulation which has been happening here, as you can see very clearly, forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a breakout, which is an initiation, the first direction for a sell. Okay, right now we are in a correction, and then now we dump. Okay, so the first area which you can look is just 1:2. 1:2. When a sell comes on the AUD JPY, you can take. Okay. So you have a sell here, basically from Asian session until round of, we have a sell here. So 1:2 it will be good. So let me share something. We have this level here, all right? And this is a lower high. I mean higher low, a higher low. Higher low, yes, higher low. All right. This is higher, low, higher. Okay, higher, higher, low, higher, low, like that, huh? Yeah, so right now, when you have broken this, you can see there is a sell area here, and also the AI is giving you very well, can give you automation, or you take on manual. And right now on this area of AUD also, my Nini is not available. The one for TP is an SL, because now you cannot find it, because they're on upgrades, eh? So if you are like that, you just do this. You see this indicator for long and short, you find it here. You see this in this indicator, you find it here, long and short. You can find it and then pin it. Pin these, the indicators that you are not indicators, the drawing tabs to be on your chart. Okay, once they're on a chart, you can now just they'll be tab there. Like now I want to sell these long term, okay? And let's say the sell was here. Let's say I want to enter a sell and I want this breakout or something, or you want just to follow the sell if it comes back here, because there's a sell or position here. So what I'll do, I'll just risk about 20 pips is about, you read what is here. This is about 33 pips, okay? This is about 33 pips. Because for me in AUD JPY, for me, I risk about 20 pips. So 20 pips, 1:2 or 1:3. 1:2, what I do, if it's EA, it will have closed. 1:1, it means on the profit side, you are in 20 pips. It will break even, stop loss to break even. Then if I'm doing manuals, for me, I'll aim for the low, which is about 1:4. You can see here how to read it. You see 4.46, it means here, target from this area to this area is 1:4. All right. Yeah, so 20 pips risking to get 89, it will be 1:4. This will be ideal. So I think I can put an alert there. I can wait it there. All right. And if not, still okay. Because if not, and it breaks out this low, all right, if you understand now how to trade, okay, settle this low and then you put stop loss maybe above the high, either it'll be here or there. It will be one. It's better at least to have a risk to reward of 1:2. So if you enter there after the market breaks out, okay, after the market breaks out here, so stop loss at least 1:2 to be good. So 1:2, unajua hivyo, you'll be getting like that. Now you'll know this is from here all the way to here down to be 1:2, okay? But you can't, I know you can't use it now because you don't have the other, how is it called? The liberty to help you. But this how a person, if you don't have liberty, sometimes you can use the tools, because right now our system are under upgrades and all that. Yeah, so if it comes here, this let me put an alert here. If it breaks out this area, you'll be taking this trade for 1:2. Basically, I can type this sell breakout. Okay, I have applied and I have saved. So and then this will be a retests. AUD, USD, AUD, JPY, retests. All right. Without further ado, I want at least Francis to take over, and I'll be observing what's happening here, and the rest is history. Yeah. So thank you, guys. Over to you. That is Frances. So let's throw some fire and welcome one of the gold experts right now. You can't come on board and you haven't even welcomed him. Okay. Let's welcome him fire. You want to trade gold London? He's the best. All right. Let's welcome him in a big way. Throw some emojis, some fire on the chat, all that. Guys, participate or we just end this call because people are not participating. Yeah. Guys, let's welcome Francis in a big way. We have to. Goja, you can't come when people haven't communicated. Wewe, rusheni kitu bwana. Yeah? There are many people, over 21 people, and then you're finding only 2 people who want to appreciate you. You need to see throw some. Yeah, we can decide like we're not going live. We just pull it off. Yeah? Yes, let's welcome Francis in a big way, pana. Yeah? So at least 10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, type something, throw emojis. Okay? Yeah. Perfect. So, nice. All right. Welcome, Francis. And you can be using this chat of NQ, yeah? I think Liberty is here, and let me put in Wanda, Liberty, indicators. You can find the V1. Just a minute. Yeah, the V1 is not here, so he can use this one. Yeah, I think you can use this. You can use this. It has the tools here.
I think after
Okay. What is happening? Where is gold? I think so you want to use yours? Okay, so
allow me to share the screen.
You can share. See the post. I'm all this is the one. Inanda is confirmed the end. Mana hapa? Nanti anak naangalia hivi. Bodoh. Confirm.
Yeah, I'm good.
Recording.
Right, guys. Welcome to London session. Franchise. Yeah. Let me close on up so that you can stop the echoing. So guys, okay, let me start. with sharing my screen. I believe you can hear me on that side. So we are going to look at the possibilities of gold. We're going to look at the possibilities of gold. I hope you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, drop a one in the comment section. Drop a one on the comment section. And just mute it. So, guys, I believe you have spotted the problem here. So, gold, I believe we are still on a bullish. I don't know. Like,
Let us talk.
Which other account? Iko sawa. Guys, sorry for that interruption. So if you can see my screen, drop a one on the comment section. Drop a one on the comment section. If you can see my screen, drop a one on the comment section, guys. I need to, yeah, thank you. So, guys, I believe gold, we are still on a bullish movement. I believe we are still on a bullish movement because on higher time frame we can see we still haven't broken this trend right now. Let me go to 1 hour time, daily. As you can see on daily, we still on a bullish movement. So on 4 hours, what can we see here? We can see equal lows. Equal lows. What does equal lows tell us? These are liquidity line here, and every time you see equal lows, it must be taken out. So we still don't have a clear direction of gold what will take us today. On lower time frames, going down back to 1 hour time frame, you can see these equal lows. You can just indicate here. Just indicate here. Some liquidity. That to me means some liquidity. So what are the possibilities of gold today? On 4 hour time frame, we must come and identify our major zones. Our major zones are this support zone and this other resistance zone. So how do we? I believe you guys know how to mark your resistance zones and support zones. So today in the morning, gold came and tapped my buy limit. This buy limit I had put it because reason. Let me show you the reason why I was into this buy this morning. As you can see, gold here at 1 hour time frame. We had an history of this market coming from here and came and retested this area, came again and broke. It came again, retested, creating a support zone, and came again and created another support zone, went back, created another support zone, and then it broke to the downside, and then created a resistance zone, and then broke the resistance zone, this giving us a strong zone, and then to broke again, respected it, creating a head and shoulder here, creating a head and shoulder. So it came again, and then it broke to the upside. So the moment we came up to here, I had a feeling that this is a strong support zone. Remember, guys, any resistance zone broken, it turns to be a support zone, or any support zone broken, it turns out to be a resistance zone. So I had a strong feeling that this one would be a strong zone for us. So I marked my position here and went into buy limit until the market came and touched us, attacked me, and went up. I closed it around $178. So that was just a buy. So let's see the possibilities of gold, what it will do again today. So that was on 1 hour time frame. We have already identified our major zones. Simply gold, it's not hard to trade. You just need to know the major zones and be patient until the price comes to you. If you just trade gold anyhowly, it will mess you up. It will always mess you up. It will always mess you up. So what to do, you need just to identify your zones clearly and be patient until the price comes to you. So let me delete these and let's see what 1 hour time frame giving us. As you can see here on our bar, trend line bar, it's giving us a buy on 1 hour time frame. The good thing about our scanners, they will give you the trend line according to your time zones. If you go to 1 daily time frame, this time trend line, it will be a neutral. Reason being, it might break to this other side. If it breaks to if it breaks this trend line, it will indicate a sell here. But the moment it's neutral, because we're still ranging on a very delicate zone. So guys, until gold gives us a clear direction, that's when you decide either to give sells or continue with the buys. So for all I'm anticipating today, it's the first idea, or the first idea I would just be looking for. Let's see if the price decides. Let me see first on 4 hour time frame. Let's see what it's creating here. On 4 hour time frame, here we can see we have a support zone. We have this support zone, but this support zone might not be that it will be respected, but it will have some manipulation. If the price comes, let's say it does this, if it does this, it will come and respect this first support zone. You can see the first red candle, and then try to retrace a bit, and then it will come and manipulate people here. Those people will have entered buys early, they will become and be taken out, and then it will tag these lower support zone, and then you do something like that, or create something like that, and then create a inverted head and shoulder. That's one possibilities of maybe buys. Guys, if the price hasn't gotten to this area, don't anticipate for buys. Reason being, you might be taken out. Remember, today we have some news. Charles, which are the news?
What we have is unemployment claims at 3:30.
At
US.
3:30, we have high impact news, and
Also we have the pound, which is medium news, at 12:30.
And tomorrow, tomorrow, do you have any news?
Tomorrow we have some news. I'll share that shortly.
Yeah, we're going to kill those news. Sitati is telling us we are going to kill. We are going to kill them. I like the spirit. I like the spirit. So, remember being a day. It's week, CPI week, right?
It's a CPI week.
Yeah, it's a CPI week. So, guys, you should be so careful with the market. Might take you home and go and take care of your cows back at home, and we don't want that. So possibilities of a sell position. Possibilities of a sell position. The reason why I'm giving you both scenarios, it's the market. We always do what the market gives us, what the market shows us. You don't do what you think the market will. You do what the market says. So the possibilities of a sell position, is, so if the market comes at this area, it will first respect this zone. First respect that zone, and then we try to pull back a bit, consolidate somewhere here, and then sweep, manipulate, or sweep the liquidation that will be around here, and then push back onto sells, and then pull back and create a head and shoulder, and then we continue selling. So I'm not going to take any sell position until the price comes here. Our mentor always tells us buy low, sell high. Always buy low and sell high. Buy low. No. What a mess. Sell high. And buy low. How are you? You're great. Welcome. So people are coming to the office. So if guys you are interested coming to the office, just book an appointment. Book an appointment on the link on the group. The link is on the group. So you always buy low and sell high. So for instance, the market gets to this low and this low. What do? Go back to your lower time frames, like 15 minutes, and wait for the manipulation to happen. And then put your scanners on. Put your scanners on. Let me put your scanners on. For what I'm telling you guys, on the manipulation, it's something like this. Let me give an illustration with this. You can see the market came around this area, it consolidated a bit and then came back and then swept this liquidity. This is a concept that always happens, and then created a new higher high and created another a higher low, and then we continue buying. So never take your trades if you don't have a confirmation entry. Never take your trades if you don't have a confirmation entry. The price will get to your position, but you must wait for the confirmation entry on your lower time frame zones. Let's say, for instance, the reason why I'm not getting into the market now, it's because I don't have a clear position on my entry zone. If I would be having any clear zone, I would have already taken. But for now, let's say, for instance, this is a very good, very good, very good, a very good example. So you have identified your positions or major zones on higher time frame, and then you come back to your smaller time frames. Let's say, for instance, this was my major zone on higher time frame. I'm just giving an example. Just assume this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame. Just assume that. I'm just saying, you just assume that. So if you come back to 15 minutes, the price, assume this is 4-hour support zone, your major zone, and then you go back to your 15 minutes. Assume this chart now it's the 15 minute time frame. Assume it's the 15 minutes time frame. You can see the market came from there, and then it touched our zone at the first level, and then it pulled back a bit and then swept these buyers who went early, and then it gave us a confirmation entry on a buy position. Guys, am I getting understood? Let me try to. I think this is a clear zone. This is a clear one. This is a clear one. I believe this is a clear one. So we marked our zone here on higher time frame, which is 4 hours. So until you go back to your smaller time frames, the market gets to get to your position. It gets to your position and then starts consolidating here, and then it comes and sweeps the early buyers. Remember, there is those aggressive people will enter early as soon as it gets to your major zone. So wait until they are swept, and then the scanner will give you a buy position. The scanner will give you a buy position. Here will be the buy position. Just enter with that. Guys, is that not a good strategy? For me, I believe it's the best strategy I've ever been using. That it would have already hidden your 1:3. Remember also, guys, you can get a sniper entry using the same strategy. You just wait. If the scanner gives you a buy position, just wait for it to pull back and enter with a fair value gap on the previous resistance zone or the previous support zone, and then go in with it, and that will be a sniper entry, and that's how people flip the accounts. So guys, I believe we are starting another session. We have online meetings on beginner classes, so I would want to wind up on this London session. So guys, let's see each other maybe at New York. For those who are in the groups, maybe you can ask. I can see time is winding up, and beginners need to start their classes, and I believe some of them are here. So guys, see each other on New York session.
All right, thank you
guys.
Yes, hello guys. So thank you so much. So wonderful session indeed we had. And currently, as you have heard, London is just manipulation. So the best move will be New York. Cheers and have a good time. Let's see other people who are online scheduled with us. And there are people who also are coming to our office. Thank you guys for joining. And for guests who are here, talk to the admin and we'll get you enrolled also in the inner circle and all that for automation for BMM.